Okay, we have a 2004, it's a little bit older, Honda Pilot here, code P0135, bank 1, sensor 1, check engine light. I'm just going to show you where the oxygen sensor is located on this particular vehicle. It's pretty much every Honda Pilot 3.5 liter is going to be similar to this. If I can get the hood open. Sorry about the camera. Okay, so the oxygen sensor for bank 1, sensor 1 is going to be upstream. I think on the newer engines they're going to have air fuel sensors near the exhaust manifolds. On this particular vehicle, it only has them located just before and after the catalytic converter. So P0135 is bank 1, sensor 1. That is going to be located in front of the catalytic converter. I'm trying to get the camera to potentially zoom in because this thing is very difficult to see where this connector is located. So that's kind of the back side of where the connector is, right here. It's located in a very difficult to get to location. You can kind of reach your hand back. There's 2 tabs. So on the top, there's a tab to kind of release it. Let me see if I can get my finger back here. So you can, if I can keep that low. See if we can get some light in there. Yeah, so there's a clip on the back that loosens it. And then you have to take it off of the tab that holds it on there, which is on the other side. And then pretty much all you need is a 22 millimeter wrench. And it's located underneath the car. Probably shouldn't have that in there. Let's cut that out. Okay. So yes. So there's your oxygen sensor. You can see I sprayed some PB Blaster around the sensor. It's just 22 millimeter. And then there's 2 clips that hold the wiring in place. So if it has that code, you're going to be looking at this oxygen sensor. If it has multiple oxygen sensor codes, which I think are going to be related to newer makes and models, then they say to check the fuse box. I'll show you where it's located as well. So if it's got multiple oxygen sensor codes, you're probably looking at no power, which means you could potentially have a blown fuse or something of that sort. And here is where the driver's footwell, you have the fuse panel, fuse location. From everything that I've read, it says that the fuse, it's number 9. So this one actually doesn't have any numbers on the fuses. It just lists kind of like what the fuses are. And I did not see it, so I don't think this is applicable for that. But again, if you have multiple codes, check power, check fuses, make sure those are good to go. After the oxygen sensor was replaced, cleared the codes, test drove, everything drove well. The other thing that you have to make sure of is a lot of these vehicles will have rodent damage. Make sure there's no clear signs of, you know, something getting in there and chewing up those wires. Other than that, you should be good to go. Anyways, hope this kind of location identifier helps for anyone that is trying to fix this code. Till next time, peace.